Hi guys, this is Dev Trades this side. So in my channel I'm going to you know going to show you two things. First, I'm going to recommend you the swing stocks. You can add it in your watch list. There is no buy or sell recommendation, but I will give you details like how you can do swing trading and how to choose the stocks for the swing trading. And second thing, in my channel I'm going to also post some technical things, so which is related to like developing the apps and how you can use some technologies to improve your AI strategies, stock strategies. So in my YouTube channel we are going to do this. Okay, so let's start. The first stock I want to show you is the BSE. So we all know this stock. So right now, as you can see, it is falling. As you can see, this is falling, and you can see it tried to change the trend here, but in this candle a news came and which takes it down. So you can add it in your watch list, and if you are a safe trader, so if you are a safe trader, you will wait for it to like go like this way, and you will buy after this candle maybe. But it should, you can change your strategy. This is my strategy which I follow. So if you are a like risky trader, even you can buy it at this side, so you want to gain more profits, and then it might go down in my recommendation for 2 to 3 days. So this is the first stock I am recommending you. You can add it in your watch list because this is a good stock, and this is a good stock for swing quality right now because it is like fall down a bit. So the second stock I want to recommend is the Timex group. So as you can see, it gave a good amount of trend here, then it came for pullback, and as you can see it is going like this, which is a good sign. So in my opinion, you can go for the buy when it breaks this candle and close above this candle. So you can observe this stock and keep watching this stock, and you can apply your strategy in this. Okay, the third stock I want to talk about is this new gen software technologies. So as you can see, it gave quite a good candle in one day, then it came for pullback, and I recommend let it make base. Right now it is making its base for another big move, so let it make a base, and if it is move like this way and it broke this candle, you can go for swing trading. Even if you're a risky trader, even you, if it come like here and here, you can go for the buy maybe, and then you can wait for at least 1 month. It will give you a good amount of response. So like this is like the strategy I follow, like is I wait for the pullback, then I observe the stock. If I see it is moving and making like move like this one, so I try to make move in that stock. So this is the recommendation, three recommendation I am making, and I will try to post these type of videos, like 3 4 videos in a week. After the market which closes, I will analyze the stocks for you and post it in my channel. So you can follow my channel, subscribe my channel, you will get the video IR notification. So I will recommend 3 stocks, swing stocks for you. So yeah, this is all from my side.